Enforce TAC 2025. We're at booth at Beretta, RWS. I have with me Andres Müller from RWS. They have a brand new anti-drone ammunition in 7.62. This ammunition is extremely interesting because of a polymer tip, but we'll ask Andreas more details about it. What can you tell us about it?
Yeah, thank you very much for visiting us. We have a new anti-drone defense ammunition. This is our 7.62 UDD. As you can see, two differences here. We have the light version with a blue bullet, and we have the heavy version with the dark bullet. We are ready with the development with the light ones, with the light version. That's about 1 gram, and it's able to hit the target, which is about 125 meters away. As you can see, the impact on this drone, which we tested on our shooting range in Fürth. The heavyweight is still under construction. It will be ready soon. It will have a bullet weight of about 3 grams, and you can shoot targets up to 300, 400 meters.
So essentially, I also understand that this bullet has a beyond target specific that will allow it to be less dangerous when it comes back down to earth, and it has a limited range to avoid things like collaterals. Is this correct?
Absolutely. This is why we developed this bullet, especially for the urban territories like cities, etc. Because with the light version, we have about 400 meters background where it's not dangerous anymore. We didn't test it with a heavyweight. As I said, this is still under construction, but the lightweight, we can say after 400 meter, it's not dangerous anymore, which is very interesting, especially for the urban territories.
Additionally, this ammunition is also specific for specific kind of guns, because of course the recoil is not enough to make cycle without any modification.
Absolutely.
On many guns, but there are guns like electric drive, I suppose, that will be able to make it work. Can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, absolutely. This was done with a cooperation of Dillon Europe with the MG6. It's called. It's a new machine gun from the German army, and this is electric. Absolutely.
It's a specific version, localized of the M134, which is the Gatling type gun with 6 barrels.
Absolutely. The German army calls it MG6, machine gun 6, number 6, but it's like you said. Absolutely, yeah. It can also work with other systems, but the other system has to be modified a lot. But I'm sure that the ammunition could work.
It will work with many other systems,
yeah,
of
absolutely.
course.
But you have to modify it.
Okay, so thank you so much.
You're
and
welcome.
Now we're going to go to Dillon to see what kind of gun shoots these bullets.
Thank you.
We are now at the Dillon booth because we're going to see not only the gun that actually shoots the UDD Urban Drone Defense ammunition from BDT, but essentially the effect of this ammunition on a drone. We can see here the effects, both the heavy and the light rounds, compared to a standard 308 round in full metal jacket. The hole that you see here, that has not done that much damage, is essentially a standard full metal jacket, and we can see basically in the color coded versions the effects at different distances of the UDD round on this drone. For example, this is a 300 meter hit from the heavy version. Red is heavy and blue is light, and we can see here at 100 meters the fact that at these distances the bullet actually fragments and does an internal splash that basically damages the inside of the drone and disables it completely. Now, what we see here is a Dillon M134. It's a rotary Gatling type machine gun that has a rate of fire of 3,000 rounds per minute. In the German military nomenclature, this gun is called the MG6. Please continue following all